Never Ending Drum Kit, Rugged 808. I opened up Serum, picked the Dubstep wavetable for oscillator A, then set up LFO1 to be envelope mode and turned the rate up to 1/8. Then I used that to modulate the bend plus warp mode and sent it through a band 24 filter with a little bit of modulation on the cutoff. Then for oscillator B, I set the dist 8-bit FWAP wavetable to be modulated by LFO1 on the wavetable position. Then for effects, I sent it through an MG low 12 filter, a parametric EQ2, a kilohertz convolver with one of the guitar cabinets, a destructor using Harmer Hill distortion with a little bit of asymmetry, a stereo shaper to put it a little more in the center, and then a V-clip. But I still felt like it could use a little bit more transient, so I added a little kick layer, sent that through an EQ, then routed that into the original 808 effects chain, which made it sound like this, and then this. Click the link in the description to download the full kit.